Okay, today I'm going to show how to use the SQ26-H1 hydrophone system with the EcoBoulder speaker. So we've already shown how to set everything up with the small speaker that comes with the SQ26-H1. And this is just if you want to use you get a bigger sound, you have a larger vessel, and need a bigger speaker. So same as before, you connect the hydrophone to the recorder and turn the recorder on. And this time we'll use the Bluetooth connection. So we have our Bluetooth transmitter, and I plug the Bluetooth into the recorder, turn on the speaker, and turn on the Bluetooth.
Speaker on, ready to connect.
Okay, yep. Okay, so it's paired and power's on. You can hear me, and I'm going to test the hydrophone like before. Testing 1, 2, 3. And now I'll just put the hydrophone in the water. We can hear the sounds now of crabs, mussels, barnacles, and a boat motor. That high-pitched whine is a boat motor. All right, so I'm going to show how to use the C57 hydrophone and with the EcoBoulder speaker. And the first thing is you open up the battery box, just like this. You force something into it, like a screwdriver, and that helps to open the box. It's not the easiest thing to open, but it's okay to press hard. Open it up. Put in a single 9-volt battery. Okay, and that goes into the battery clip right here. And then you can close the box. I won't snap it shut because we're going to turn it off later. And then to turn it on, we press this button right here. You can see the blue light glows. And then to connect it to the speaker, it's quite simple. We just connect a BNC cable to one end, and the other end of the BNC I have an adapter that goes to a 1/4 inch. So you just go to the connectors, twist and open, and then connect right into the microphone input. That. So we turn the EcoBoulder on. It defaults to Bluetooth, so we want to change the source to aux in. You have to turn the volume down. It defaults to a volume of 14, even if you have it on a lower volume to start with. So we turn it down. Also turn the master volume down. And then just simply lower the hydrophone gently into the water. And you'll hear the sounds of a boat approaching. And I think we'll get that on camera as it comes. Okay, now I'm going to demonstrate how to use the C57 with the EcoBoulder Plus speaker using a Bluetooth connection. And it's pretty much as simple as connecting it with a wire, except you use this adapter that is a BNC on one end and the 3.5 millimeter on the other. You connect that into the Bluetooth transmitter. Turn the transmitter on, turn the speaker on. The speaker will come up and try to pair.
Speaker on, ready to connect.
And I make sure that the blue light is on here on the transmitter so it can connect. And turn on the hydrophone. So the blue light is on. The hydrophone is on, and you can test it by talking into it. Turn the volume up a bit. I can cup the hydrophone and talk. And so we know that it's working. And now put the hydrophone in the water. And there's a delay of a couple seconds sometimes with Bluetooth. So you can just increase the volume as necessary. And so when you're done listening, you can turn off the hydrophone, disconnect the Bluetooth, disconnect the BNC, turn off the Bluetooth transmitter, press and hold till it's off, turn off the speaker by pressing and holding until that turns off, and then carefully pulling up your hydrophone cable, setting it on the deck. Always rinse off, make sure the electronics are off the deck though. Rinse off the hydrophone. It's important that the hydrophone has salt water rinsed off so that the cable is not damaged from drying salt. Right, Seagull? Okay, so you just unscrew the strain relief and dry off the connector. You don't need to disconnect it. In fact, it's better not to. And then screw it back on. If it's not totally dry, that's okay. You can do that when you get back. So that's it. Just happy listening.